Huwag niyang gagawing dahilan na I have nothing to do with Congress. That's not true. Because ikaw din naman namili sa pinsan mo na siyang mag-speaker. Kung ibang taong nag-speaker dyan, hindi may konti pang hiya-hiya. Pinsan mo kaya hindi nahiya sa'yo. Bira ka naman.
It's so funny because people say, but they're independent of each other.
No, that's not
yung
true.
Legislative, executive.
No, that's just in theory. They are as institutions, but the people, no.
So it becomes their defense. For example, the executive will say, they act on their own.
That's lame.
Sabihin din ng legislative, wala kami influence sa kabila.
That's lame.
But, di ba, nakakalusot sila dahil nga iyan ang nasa batas. How do you
That's lame.
circumvent it without circumventing
separation
it?
of powers sa konstitusyon. Titingnan mo dapat kung sino nakaupo. Tingnan mo. Ngayon, paano siya napalitan? Di si Sandro, may marching orders, napalitan mo ng tito mo.
Dahil
Hindi
anak
na kaya.
niya. Dahil anak niya.
Pero
paano kung wala siyang anak doon?
It could have been anybody else. It could have been anyone. He could have said, okay, ayoko na yan. Palitan nyo na yan.